Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 KTM Duke 390. This naked sport bike just arrived with only 435 miles on the odometer. It's got front and rear cameras, WP Apex exhaust, IXIL exhaust system. This thing is in beautiful shape, like brand new condition, with little cameras on the back and front. Really cool bike. It also has MotoGP style lever protectors. Perfect condition. Come on by and make it your own for only $58.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. ABS brakes. Sounds badass. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.